Let's work together to make Venus a habitable planet. To begin, we'll make the mass of its atmosphere similar to that of Earth. Once that is done, we will be able to see the surface of Venus more clearly. I always wondered what Venus would look like, without the thick clouds. I think it looks similar to Mars, only with much higher surface temperatures. Unfortunately, it still looks unsuitable for life. To make it suitable, we should put a large amount of water to cool the surface. Let's see what Venus looks like when it's covered with oceans. It's a fiery planet, but now we will add some water to its surface, and see what happens. Great, now we have a beautiful planet covered with oceans. Imagining what it would be like to have a house near one of Venus' oceans is an exciting thought. It would be truly amazing to be able to watch the beautiful and mysterious waves of a Venusian ocean, from the comfort of your own home. It would be like living in a paradise, with the sun shining and the warm breeze from the ocean providing a pleasant atmosphere. Finally, let's cover the surface with beautiful green vegetation, and voila! Venus will be ready for life. Look how beautiful the twin of our planet looks, covered with large oceans and vast green areas. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. I hope you enjoyed it. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Until then, take care and have a great day.